Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage user engagement with HubSpot. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Engagement. Select Comments to view user interactions. Review the list of comments for any new engagements. To respond to a comment, click on it. Type your response in the text box. Press Enter to post your reply. Next, return to the main engagement page. Click on Social to manage social interactions. Here, you can monitor mentions and direct messages. Respond to any inquiries directly from this interface. Now, go to Email under the Engagement section. Review your recent email campaigns. Analyze the engagement metrics provided. Look for open rates and click-through rates. Use these insights to adjust your strategy. Next, proceed to the Workflows tab. Create automated workflows to engage users. Define triggers that will prompt user engagement. Continue by navigating to Forms. Create forms that capture user information. Consider using a pop-up form for increased visibility. Integrate these forms with your email workflows. Move to the Analytics section to track performance. Regularly check engagement metrics. Identify patterns and adjust content strategies accordingly. Finally, always update your content based on user feedback. This will keep your audience engaged and informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.